Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to contact MetaMask support if you ever need help. Since MetaMask is a decentralized wallet, there's no phone number or live chat like a bank, but they do have an official help center and support system where you can report issues safely. First, open your browser and go to the official MetaMask website, which is metamask.io. From there, scroll down and look for the Support or Help section. This will redirect you to their official help center. You can also type support.metamask.io directly in your browser. On the Help Center page, you'll find a search bar where you can look up common problems such as missing tokens, network errors, or account recovery. Many times, the solution is already available in the step-by-step guides. If you can't solve your issue, click the Start a Conversation or Submit a Request button. You'll need to describe your problem clearly, provide details like your wallet version, device, and any error messages. Remember, MetaMask support will never ask for your secret recovery phrase or private keys. If anyone does, it's a scam. You can also use the MetaMask extension or mobile app to access support directly by tapping Settings and then Support. This connects you to the same help center. And that's it! By using the official MetaMask support page, you can safely get help while protecting your wallet and funds from scams. Subscribe the channel for more videos.